That's
Dallas
me.
County in north central Texas, southeastern Grayson County in north central Texas,
Got it on the
County in
WR100.
north central Texas until 5:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:45 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Anna to Plano to near Cockrell Hill, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Allen, Rowlett, Wiley, Rockwall, Farmers Branch, Greenville, Bulk Springs, University Park, Satch City, and Cedarville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 421 and 439. Interstate 20 between mile markers 473 and 485. Interstate 30 between mile markers 34 and 97. Interstate 45 between mile markers 277 and 284. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
It's infected into the next hour.
Significant weather advisory for Johnson, northwestern Bosque, Northern Hill, and Ellis counties until 5:15 a.m. At 4:25.
That's just special understatement. Again, I got it all on all my weather radios this time. Thank you. I moved the WR100. The perfect spot for it. And I'll show you guys what I can get.